Hi guys, welcome to Colorado Mountain Time. I woke up this morning, I opened the door and see what I see. Snow. It is supposed to be summertime already in Steamboat Springs, but guess what? We're having snow instead. Yes, my husband woke up this morning and at about 5 o'clock in the morning, so he covered the flowers with the plastic. So I hope they will survive during the winter storm in the summer. And I'm going to work right now, but look at a lot of snow on my windshield. It's ridiculous, guys. So I'm driving to work right now. Luckily, guys, I still have my snow tires on. And again, guys, if you guys like this video, would you please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click share, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you won't miss all of my videos. And thank you again so much for watching. Have a great one, everyone.